fact, she followed through. After walking across the stage at the Harold Washington Cultural Center, Campbell waved to the crowd, dropped it into a split with a dance move, popped back up to accept her diploma, except it never came.
I did a pretty princess wave, did my split, got back up, and I tried to reach for my diploma, and I didn't get it. And I was confused at first. I thought they mixed up my name.
Video of the moment shows Campbell looking back towards school officials as the audience cheered.
The principal telling her now, don't give her nothing. She looked around her, don't give her nothing. Don't give her. Make her walk off. No, didn't hand it to her.
The reaction from the crowd was loud. Campbell says the only person who took issue with this.
Bruh. Come on, man. Twerking on stage at your graduation. After all that hard work, you got cameras out, people watching.
Celebration were school leaders.
My principal, Ms. Shackleford, she told me I need to think of a way to make up for what I've done. And this was supposed to be a celebratory moment, and I made it about myself.
The 18-year-old says she was escorted out of the ceremony and still has not received her diploma.
Good, because I'm tired of it, man. I don't care what nobody say. Listen, there's a time and place for every mother-loving thing, and you knew good and dang gone well that was completely unacceptable. Talking about, no. What you did was you dropped that thing into a split, and then she hit a little bounce with it, man. Like, show some freaking class. Listen, I know there's gonna be a lot of people that disagree.
She followed through after walking across the stage at the.
I want to make sure that I pull this thing back up. Instead of walking across there and getting your diploma and going about your mother-loving business, you took the time to embarrass your family and yourself.
The Harold Washington Cultural Center, Campbell waved to the crowd.
Come on, man. Like, what are we doing here? What's going on with the youth? Let me tell you something. Like, the school that I went to, Northwestern High School, you would have tried to pull some mess up there like that. They handled it completely different. We were from the other side of town. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't a lot of us in that doggone school, but they let you know up front. If you do anything out of the norm, the police is gonna come up. They're gonna come up there and escort your butt out of there. The same thing goes for the parents or anybody. If we hear anybody yell, scream, or do anything during this graduation, you will be escorted. Let's have some class, bro. Listen, I understand it's been, however long it took you to graduate from high school. This is a big achievement. All that celebration, you say that thing for after the fact. You did it. Congratulations. Don't embarrass me, man. And that's exactly what happened. But anyway, this young lady, actually, she got on TikTok and gave a response to this video. So we're going to pull that up after seeing this do a split and then hit a little bounce. Like, come on, bro.
Across the stage at the Harold Washington Cultural Center, Campbell waved to the crowd, dropped it into a split with a dance move, popped back up to accept her diploma.
No, that ain't no damn. My bad. I'm sorry. That ain't no doggone dance move, man. That's embarrassment, bro. That's embarrassment. Out of anything you could have did, that's what you chose to do. And I don't know who that was holding a phone or whatever, but the mom should have got on her doggone case. Like, what the heck is wrong with you? And she was like, yo, I told them beforehand what I was gonna do. What? What are you talking about, man? Anyway, this is the young lady right here, man. We're gonna go ahead and go through this video, whatever. We're gonna let her give her little spiel. We're gonna hear what she got to say, and we're gonna take it from there. Bless it, man. In Chicago, boy. I don't know how to make this thing bigger.
Everyone, my name is Typion Campbell /Siki Sue, and I'm reporting here to talk about my discrimination. Wait. I've come here to talk about how I've been wrongfully done at Chicago Tech Academy and how I didn't receive my diploma because I did a split on stage. Now, a quick backstory. I've been telling these people for weeks that I was going to do a split on stage. It was not a surprise. They just thought I was joking. And that's the problem now. Don't think I'm joking because I'm not. So yeah, I did my split on stage, and I walked across, and it was an area where you're supposed to take pictures with your diploma, and the person who was handing out my diploma, she was just looking slow. Well, excuse me, not slow. But she was standing there looking.
She was confused. Like, why the hell? Honestly, this young lady, she doesn't look like one of them little hood rat type of chicks. She looked like somebody that has been well taken care of. I don't know if I should say well spoken, but she don't seem like she come from that type of neighborhood. And judging from the background, and then also she's in Chicago, it looked like they're doing okay. And they actually say that she's live right now. We not gonna tune in. But why in the world, out of all time, do you pick your graduation to display that type of behavior? Like, bro, like, listen, if you gonna cut up, do it at the house. Do it outside of them doggone cameras. You know, people got their phones out, they're recording, they taking pictures, and now you on the news. You all over. You done went viral on TikTok, Instagram. Everybody is literally doing reactions to this doggone video of you twerking on stage. And I'm really curious, like, what's our parents honestly saying about all of this? Because I'm just gonna be honest with you, right? If I was the father or whatever, I probably would have blanked. I would have spazzed out. You know what? No, I wouldn't even did that, because as someone that would have been my daughter, she would have already knew better. Like, this is completely unacceptable, man.
And crazy. So I'm like, babe, what are you doing? Give me my diploma. And she's like, I honestly thought that they mixed up my name and didn't have my name in the right order. I didn't even think that she was purposely not trying to give me my diploma at first. And then everyone's telling me, oh, just go back and get it, go back and get it. And I'm like, wait, you're telling me to go back and get the diploma, and she's telling me to keep walking. So what do y'all want me to do? So I was just confused. I ended up keep walking across the stage, and I was standing there for a minute. I was standing there like, I'm not moving until I get my diploma. I'm not moving until I get my diploma. Why didn't you give me my diploma? So I ended up sitting down. Long story short, it was like, sit down. So I had a seat. I went, sat down, whatever. After I sat down, I was escorted out of the graduation ceremony, and I was taken outside by a dean. And I was met with my principal, Shackleford, Miss Shackleford, Zatea Shackleford to be exact. And I was met out there, and she was beyond angry, like livid. It was genuine tears in her eyes, and her mouth was shaking. She was really, 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 really upset.
She was disappointed. That's what that was. She was extremely disappointed in somebody that's probably, again, been doing everything that, you know, she was probably supposed to do. And again, out of all moments, you chose to do that. She like, man, come on, dog. Like, that's why a lot of people are losing hope for the next generation, man. This is the reason why, right here. A lot of them, they don't even think like stuff like this is bad. And you even have parents, mothers and fathers out here that don't see nothing wrong with this young girl's actions. And then they ask you, what's wrong with this generation that's coming behind us right now? That's it right there. You literally have children raising people with childish-like mindsets, raising children. And it's just a cycle that's going to continue to repeat itself. Because, again, they don't see anything wrong. She thinks stuff like this is funny. She came on here to double down, not apologize for behaving in that manner, not apologizing to her mother, not apologizing to the school or what, none of that. She got on this mug to double down and say, yo, they were wrong. Wasn't nothing, I mean, I was just literally just going up there to get my diploma. I was looking like, what's going on? You were wrong.
And she's like, you need to figure out a way how you're going to make up for this. You're not getting your diploma until you figure out a way how you're going to make up for what you just did.
Good.
And I'm like, wait, I have to figure that out? Or do you have to figure that out? So yeah, this was honestly just a confusing experience. Long story short, I ended up leaving. I didn't even get to do the left to right or right to left with the graduation cap because I was really upset. Like, I was really upset.
No, you got escorted out of there.
And then to end this off, the next line of students who went, a girl went up that stage and did a. So let me tell y'all something. That girl still received her diploma and everything. But my act, the whole world shook.
Let me tell you something, man.
So yeah.
Neither one of y'all should have got y'all doggone diploma. Honestly, you know what? Because you behaving like that, we're going to mail it to you. All right? It'll get there within 21 to 28 days. All right? It's going to take you a month to receive that thing. Since you want to behave like that, we're going to mail it to you. If you're going to show your butt, then you shouldn't have even came to the graduation. It's not about you. This is not about just you, man. You got other people out there that are celebrating their sons and their daughters' graduation. And you got somebody like this. Man, boy.
It's been countless of times where I've been punished more than another student just because of me. I think the school has something personal against me. Why? I have no idea. I think it's because I'm happy, I'm glowing, I'm always outgoing, and most of all, I have money. Hello.
There it is right there. Did you hear that last part? I have money. What money you got? I'm trying to figure out what money does she have? Because this is her page. This is the young lady's page right here. I don't know if she's going to be like a news reporter or whatever, but you don't think that the people are going to take that type of stuff into consideration when it's time to hire you? Bro, again, even if you plan on working for yourself, it is a certain way that you should always conduct yourself. You on camera. You done went viral, and not in a good way. You think it's funny. It's going to be real funny when it's time for you to get out of college and it's time for you to apply for that doggone job. And people look at, hold on, wait a minute, isn't this the same girl that went viral? Because they're going to look you up. Trust me, they got people out there that literally look up stuff like this. And you have those type of smudges on your record, yeah, nah. You thought it was cute when you was younger, but I guarantee you, just like a lot of them, they regret it in the long run. Let's see who this is.
Siri, how you say graduated in Spanish? Siri, how you say graduated in Spanish?
In Spanish, graduated is graduado.
Girl, I just graduado. Siri, how you...
You were wrong. Everybody in this young lady's comments, man, I'm talking about getting on her, telling her you made a mistake. Don't do that once you get to college, because those people in college do not play. Again, we talking about two different ballparks, man. So I don't know, man. Hopefully this young lady, somebody gets in her ear. Hopefully she gets some type, look, she's still doing it. Hopefully she gets some type of dang on mentor or coach, somebody to help her out, man. Because again, it's obvious. Even the people down in the comments are coming for it. They telling it, yo, you are wrong. Nothing about what you did was cute, smart, or anything like that. You shouldn't have did that at all. But y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? I seen something like that. I was just like, yo, please do not tell me that this is real. But it was.